Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to turn up the volume of your iPhone? Whether you are listening to music, watching a video, or making a call, adjusting the volume is simple. Follow these steps to ensure you get the best audio experience from your iPhone. To start with, you can use the volume button, the physical button. Locate the volume button on the left side of your iPhone. Press the top button to increase the volume. We also have the on-screen adjustment. As you press the volume button, a volume slider will appear on your screen. You can drag the slider up to increase the volume further if needed. Adjusting the volume in setting is also an option. Open the setting app and locate sounds and haptics. Next, you will see the ringtone and alert section. Use the slider to adjust the volume for ringtone and notification. Slide it to the right to increase the volume. You can also use the control center. The first thing to do is to access the control center. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. Then you find the volume slider that looks like a speaker icon. Drag it up to increase the volume. For apps like music, video, or YouTube, ensure the media volume is turned on within the app. Most media apps have their own volume control. Then during a call, use the volume button to adjust the in-call volume. If you are also using an headphone or the Bluetooth speaker, ensure the volume is turned up on both the iPhone and the connected device. So this is an additional tip. If you have trouble hearing, you can enable hearing accommodation. Go to the setting app, then accessibility. Then you will see the hearing devices section and adjust the setting to suit your needs. And that's it, guys. Adjusting the volume on your iPhone is quick and easy with multiple options to suit your needs. Whether you prefer using the physical buttons on screen controls or setting, you can ensure your audio is at perfect level for any situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.